Hello guys, today I'll show you how to invest using Binance. Firstly, you need to create and verify your account on Binance. Next, all you have to do is deposit with card or bank transfer or with cryptocurrency, so load your Binance account. Binance offers multiple types of markets where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You have Doge, futures trading, and margin trading. It is important not to pull all your money into a single cryptocurrency because Binance offers various tools to diversify your assets. You can buy multiple cryptocurrencies, staking, and Binance earning portfolios and copy trading. So, trading fees charges a smaller fee for each transaction. However, you can reduce this fee if you use BNB to pay trading fees, achieving a 20% discount. So all you have to do is to create a Binance account, verify it, deposit some money, and then start trading, and that's how you invest in crypto on Binance. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.